Now, I know they're supposed to be lighter and more friendly, but most of the time they just come off as logically idiotic. That's why I've compiled a list of the top 11 dumbest moments in the Superman films. Why top 11? Because I like to go one step beyond. So, sit back and enjoy the top 11 stupidest Superman moments.
Why were you wearing eyeliner in the Superman countdown?
This is one of my more embarrassing fuck-ups. I actually filmed this review right after I filmed another certain sketch. A certain sketch that will never be named again.
Melvin, brother of the Joker. Melvin, brother of the Joker.
At least play a different song!
So yeah, I thought I got all the makeup off from that sketch, but obviously a dozen emails saying I look like a goth drag show proves me wrong. So I had to do the whole review looking like a pussy, end of story. I mean, it's not like I walk around wearing other women's apparel all the time.
Susie, where did you get that?
From my deepest hate of you! I also have a picture of you kissing Divine and doing the can-can with Hitler. Look! He's doing the can-can with Hitler! I'm funny!
I really